In this video, we are going to understand how to find the missing data using Pandas. So first I'm going to create intentionally missing data using NumPy library, and after that using some method from the Pandas, we are trying to basically fill that missing data in that table. Sometimes the data in the Excel sheet, CSV file, or the data which is available in form of dictionary, sometimes that data is missing and you want to use that data for training purpose or for analysis purpose. So on that time, we can take a help of Pandas to fill that missing data with some logical calculation. So first, I'm importing two libraries. The first library is called NumPy. The second library is called Pandas. Okay. Now I'm creating one data frame using Pandas, and that data frame is basically having A, B, and C. The table is having A, B, and C as three, we can say companies, or we can say three parameters, and 1 and 2 are the two data which is available. np.nan, that means that data is missing. So in A, one data is missing. In B, we have two data missing. So when I run this, I'll get a beautiful table. And in the table, I'll be having basically, I'll just run one more time, and I'll be having basically a table like this: A, B, and C. A, we have one data missing. B, we have two data missing. And in C, we have no data missing. So suppose for at the initial stage, I'll just write drop NA. It means any row, if the data is missing, that row will be removed. So only one row you can see, the first, because A, B, C have the first data available. Okay. Now I can do with the row, if I use a drop NA, and suppose I want to use for column, I can use like this, axis 1. So when I use the axis 1, this is for row and this is for column. You can see the C is available now because C have all the data available with them. Suppose I can decide like this, threshold equal to 2. So when I have a threshold equal to 2, so if one data is missing, you can able to see that. And if I use threshold equal to 1, okay, so any data missing can be seen over here. Okay, if I write 3, only one data, one can be seen. Great. Now suppose what I can do, suppose for this missing data, I can fill some value. So right now I'm just writing fill value. So wherever there is a missing data, I can fill with some random values over here. Okay, I can just write 5 also. So the data will be filled. 4 also, the data will be filled. Okay. Or what is logical way of doing it? Suppose we have a missing data for A, B, and C. So for A, we are going to take a mean of that. Okay, we are going to take a mean of that value. Great. So the mean is basically for 1 and 2 is 1.5. Similarly, I can do it for 5 also. Sorry, B also. So in B, we have two data, only one data, and the mean value is 5. So it will automatically get filled. So this way you can actually find the missing data using Pandas. So Pandas are very much useful to find the missing data.